Khulumbakia joto takhokte bukok songno tai lamsogo ani o channelo phaidi chengtini nalen Indian Council of Medical Research short form ICMR ni hoite ketal job notification phaimani obongkha bongni website ni address norok type khaidi rmrcne.org.in takhokte buksok norok notification ane hangke norok bongni website thangai naimano naidi obongkha Regional Medical Research Center Dibrugarh short form ka RMRCNE bono page opening mani pore right side digo kaisa nuguna notification phaijak applications are invited from interested and eligible candidates for temporary post under MRHRU Assam and Tripura. Last date dekaborok 31st August 2021. Phaidi jeng o jaga click khai pura notification nalena. Naidi noticed Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Obongkha reference number tai dated. Applications are invited from interested and eligible candidates for the following temporary post under establishment of Model Rural Health Research Unit in the state of Assam and establishment of Model Rural Health Research Unit in the state of Tripura, implemented by ICMR, Regional Medical Research Center, Northeast Region, Dibrugarh, Assam. Takhokte buksong o job ni bagai post tongo puilani mong ongkha Scientist C Medical tai number of post tongo kaini kaisa ongkha Assamo tai kaisa ongkha Tripura tai category ongkha UR bagai tai oron essential qualification borok nayo post graduate degree MD haikai MS after MBBS from a recognized university with 1 year's R&D higher teaching experience or postgraduate diploma in medical subjects after MBBS from a recognized university higher institution with 2 years R&D higher teaching experience or MBBS degree recognized by MCI with 4 years R&D higher teaching experience in medical subjects after MBBS degree. Obongkha essential qualification. Aboni pore desirable qualification nayo MD in medicine, haike community medicine, haike ba microbiology, haike ba biochemistry, or any other subjects in medical science. Second number borok nayo additional post doctoral research, haike teaching experience in medical subject in recognized institute. Number 3 inka knowledge of computer applications or business intelligence tools haike data management borok nayo o posting bagai age limit ka maximum 40 tai borok salary are nai 67,000 plus HRA per month rejang nai obo consolidated. Second posting bumung ongkha Scientist C obongkha non medical tasinike medical tabung namongkhe non medical post tongo kaisa no Tripura ni bagai category ongkha unreserved oboni bagai essential qualification borok nayo first class master degree in public health haike microbiology haike microchemistry haike life science from a recognized university with 4 years R&D higher teaching experience in relevant field, or second class MSc plus PhD degree in public health, higher microbiology, life science from a recognized university with 4 years R&D higher teaching experience in relevant field. Obongka essential qualification nangnai o posting bagai. Tabung hangke cheng desirable qualification nangnai tamo nang o posting bagai. Pulyano tongo number 1 doctorate degree in public health, higher microbiology, biochemistry, higher biotechnology, higher life science from a recognized university for candidates with first class relevant degree. Second number angka additional postdoctorate research, higher teaching experience in public health, higher microbiology, higher biochemistry, higher life science in recognized institute. Number 3 angka knowledge of computer application or business intelligence tools, higher data management. Oboni bagibo age limiting ka maximum 40. Tai salary same no 67,000 plus HRA per month consolidated. Abon pore faidi jeng tebo nalena. The posts are purely temporary and co-terminate with the project. The Government of India, ICMR, RMRC, NE Region Dibrugarh will not take any guarantee for, will not be responsible for any confirmation, higher regulation of the post in future. Takukta buksong or jobongka purely temporary basis job. Tai borok kuno shuria je amo in future regular nahnai tai aboni borok kuno responsibility naya. Interested candidates may email their application in the prescribed format along with the scanned copies of their mark sheets and testimonials in advance positively by 31st August 2021. Takukte buksong borok application ni je format tongmani abo o notification result norok naimano naidi obongka boni application form norok omo fill up khaye tanoni documents rok scan khaye boni o email address ori hodi boni email address engka naidi application mrhru@gmail.com. The date and time of the interview will be intimated to the eligible candidates via email. Takukte buksong norok application submit khameni pore borok norok no time and date shaharnai jara eligible candidate no via email tei. All candidates will have to apply in the prescribed application form which can be downloaded from the website. Application form result no tai the application must apply in the prescribed application form and provide a valid email ID and contact number. Takukte buksong nongni boni application format no nongni email ID tai contact number jate valid no di borok norok ba jate contact khabenai jatkhe. The candidates will have to stay and work in any other places of Northeast India wherever posted, transferred in connection with the scheme higher project work as deemed necessary. The eligible higher shortlisted candidate will be intimated for personal interview higher written test via email. Takukte buksong jara eligible higher shortlisted khajinai bongno personal interview na jana higher written test ngai via email. No TA, DA, etc. will be provided for attending the interview. Takukte buksong nongno kuno TA, DA rejaklak interview appear khamani bagai. The decision of ICMR New Delhi and ICMR Regional Medical Research Center, NE Region Dibrugarh, will be final in all regard. Canvassing in any form or bringing political or other outside influence with regard to selection recruitment cells liable for disqualification. The result of the interview will be uploaded in the office website. Takokte buksong norok interview remani pore haikai written test remani pore noroni je result abo boni website upload nai website ni address ka ang je thasing samani www.rmrcne.org.in Fadi aboni pore chung boni application format neleni kisha Regional Medical Research Center NE Region ICMR Dibrugarh Assam application form advertisement number norok to nogimangkha je puliano tongo obongkha application number aboni pore obongkha dated name of the candidate nongni block letters by nongni mongshidi nongni photo jaga thapadi color size photograph aboni pore nini fathers ni mongshidi capital letter by aboni pore nini date of birth female haike male noni address for correspondence tai mobile number haike land number email id nationality religion noni category city marital status tai particulars of all examination passed and degree and technical qualifications obtained commencing with the matriculation or equivalent examination. Additional qualification may be mentioned in a separate sheet. Matric nisimi mention khadi year of passing board haike university subject tai division aboni pore noni experience ready name of the employer period of service busuk nisimi busuk jara tai bo post tongmani tai pay scale haike salary busuk tongmani abo mention khadi আর তাই ননি পাবলিকেশন যদি তংখাংকে নরক মেনশন খাইমানো বরক অরসেয় ইউজ সেপারেট সিট ইফ নেসেসারি যদি ননি তেব পেজ নাখাকে নরক ইউজ খাইমানো তাই অবংকা ডিক্লারেশন নরক অর ডেট প্লেস তাই ননি মংসইদি তাই অবংকা আন্ডারটেকিং রই সিগনেচার রই ননি ডকুমেন্টস স্ক্যান খাই বনি ইমেল এড্রেস rihodi takokte buksong o job ni bagai ashokno belekena hambai khulumbaikha